Okay, here we are at 49139 West Butte. We'll start outside. We got a big playground with some turf, a 3-story playground. The dog yard over here is 100 foot by 50 foot connected to the house. The house is a double wide. A new AC unit put in over there / heater. Awning out here. It's on about just a little under 4 acres of land. But that view and being out here, the stars, the sunsets, everything's just amazing out here. Okay, let's go inside. So right when we come in, we got the living room, dining room over there. We have our kitchen. Stove, oven, is also an air fryer. The sink also has the attachables on top of the slide. Cup wash, the soap dispenser built in. Washer dryer, nice big pantry. Storage in here. Here's the master bedroom. In here you got a new toilet, tub, double sink, vanity, and your shower. In this room, all the TVs as well have the TV plugs right behind it. Another hall closet. Don't mind all the stuff in it, I apologize. Bathroom number 2. This one has a tub in it. Single vanity. New toilet, seals, all that. Kids room, nice good size. All these stickers are easily removable. A good size closet in here too for a room. Sorry for the mess. So that's the 2 beds, 2 baths on the mobile home, 1,200, I think 48 square foot. This, from this wall back, is unpermitted, but it's an additional 600 square foot bedroom and bathroom. Little reading nook, back door. Then when you come in, just nice tall ceilings. A little over 10 foot tall in here. So here's the bathroom. Also double vanity. This does not have a tub, but it does have Bluetooth speakers in the roof. Dimmable light, ceiling fan. 2 closets, his and hers. Here's one closet with built-ins on the side. Here's just a nook. This is walkable, so you could go up. There's storage up there. Also right in there. Her closet, or vice versa, built-ins. It does need 2 closet doors if you want, but this is all cooled and heated by a 2-ton mini split. And then just to show you the view from out here, when you wake up in the morning, you sit up, this is what you see. Beautiful. All right, that's a video walkthrough of inside. I will, let's see, out the bathroom window, I think you could see. Well, you can't, but there's RV hookups over here, electric, water, as well as RV hookups where that RV is. That has electric, water, and sewer, 50 amp. Of course, you can always downsize to 30. So there it is.